In the realm of parenthood, there is nothing more heart-wrenching than seeing your baby suffer from a painful diaper rash. The cries of discomfort, the redness and irritation on their delicate skin. It's enough to make any parent feel helpless. But fear not, for there is a solution that lies within the magical realm of bath remedies. Yes, you heard it right, the humble bathtub can be transformed into a sanctuary of relief for your little one's troubled skin. Picture this, your baby, immersed in warm, soothing water. Surrounded by the gentle fragrance of natural ingredients. This is not just any ordinary bath. This is a bath infused with the power of healing. The first bath remedy for diaper rash is none other than baking soda. With its alkaline properties, this culinary staple can work wonders in neutralizing the pH levels of your baby's skin. Simply sprinkle a few teaspoons into the bathwater and let the magic unfold. A baking soda will not only relieve the itchiness caused by the rash but also promote quicker healing. But wait, there's more. Another bath remedy that can work miracles on your baby's sensitive skin is none other than oatmeal. Yes, that humble breakfast staple that nourishes our bodies can also work wonders on diaper rash. Oatmeal has long been known for its soothing properties and ability to alleviate itchiness. By grinding a cup of oats into a fine powder and adding it to your baby's bathwater, you can create a milky oasis that will envelop their skin in healing goodness. The oatmeal will form a protective barrier against further irritation and provide much-needed relief to their discomfort. Now, imagine your baby floating in this heavenly concoction of baking soda and oatmeal, their troubles melting away with each passing moment. As they splash and play in the water, you can almost see their skin rejoicing in the newfound comfort. No more redness, no more irritation, just pure bliss. And as a parent, what could be more gratifying than witnessing your little one find solace in something as simple as a bath? So, the next time you find yourself faced with the daunting task of combating diaper rash, remember, the answer lies within the depths of your bathroom. With just a few simple ingredients and a great love, you can transform bath time into a ritual of healing and restoration for your baby's delicate skin. Say goodbye to tears and hello to smiles, because in the world of bath remedies for diaper rash, Rub-a-Dub-Dub truly brings no more rash in the tub. If you learned something new today, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to be notified whenever we publish a new video.